Hello and welcome to the video. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing video, which is pretty different for us.
Yeah, first time.
Yeah, so bear with us. We've been kindly been sent some stuff from a couple of companies, so we're just going to unbox them on here. Our first package is going to be from Ox Tools. So let's just get right into it.
Sides. Okay. Yeah. Let's unleash the power.
I think the bubble wrap's Ox branded.
What's this?
There we go. There's one there as well, just open it.
Alright.
Oh, the shirts.
Ox workwear. Tech crew neck, t-shirt navy. Large. Let's see what it's like.
It's a grey one.
It's smart, that.
Very smart. I don't know if you can see it, but there you've got the Ox logo and it feels really nice.
It's quality stuff, that, isn't it?
Yeah. It's definitely a nice summer t-shirt to wear.
Yeah. Really good quality material. Don't think we see it's like shiny material. Looks like it's breathable as well at the back.
And then there's a hoodie. A zip-up hoodie.
Yeah.
It's the same open as the other one. Oh, no.
Well, looks like we're going to be fighting over this one.
Very nice. Hey, there's... show these. It's got a zip pocket on it as well.
Phone pocket maybe? Well, they're all zip pockets, aren't they?
That's handy. And it's not too thick
Not
either.
too heavy, no. Nice material, that.
Mm.
Good quality swag.
And then there's tools in here as well.
Yeah, I see a hammer. Big hammer.
Let's see what's in there. Is this a bucket trowel?
I think so, yeah. Never had a bucket trowel before, but first time for everything. Very smart.
Very smart. I'll put this to the side for now. We'll show you
Yeah.
what you've done.
Brick hammer. Uh, 24 ounce. Quite a good one, that.
And then there's a lump hammer as well. 2.5 pounds.
That's a good one. Not too heavy. Not too heavy for the old fella. Yeah.
And then there's a bolster to go with it.
It's a second bolster, isn't it?
Bloody hell.
Yeah. Cool. Now. You may have noticed I've been using a cheap trowel lately. A spear injection, probably goes for about tenner, wasn't it? Great trowel, but it actually snapped in half the other week. So this is well timed. Philadelphia pattern, 11 inch. That'll come in handy tomorrow. Get back on the ox trowel again.
And then last but not least for the ox is a 2 foot level.
a dinky little level, isn't it?
Yeah. Feels nice though.
Yeah. Good size in the hand, isn't it?
Yeah.
Quite narrow. Yeah, and it's not got the adjustable vials on it. It's just the normal level and plumb, so nothing to fall off and nothing to break. That's it.
And we've got one more package from Blake's Profiles.
Blake's Profiles, yeah. I've had the same set of profiles since I was an apprentice. Anyone who knows the channel knows this story, but got them when I was an apprentice 32 years ago. Never let me down. The clips that I've got are original. These I've thrown them down to like two clips left. So they've kindly sent me a set of what, 6?
That's
4 new line clips and some stabilisers as well.
Oh, that's the.
Yeah.
There's a
Yeah,
stabilizer.
there's a stabiliser. My video about setting up the profiles, I had the cheap version. This is the actual Blake's, their own. Good quality. Not like the plastic rubbish.
Yeah, the plastic ones wouldn't tighten anymore, would they?
No, and these things just last and last. You can see there, the stamp, the name Blake's. But we tend to spray ours orange because they're easy. Once they get dirty, they're easy to lose. Yeah, we did get 6. One of these is in the tool bucket, one of these is in the tool bucket. And because my profile's that old, all the stickers are worn off the top. So they've kindly sent us a set of stickers for the profiles. Yeah, get them stuck on tomorrow. Thoroughly recommend Blake's Profiles and Ox Tools, of course.
Let's get these put away.
Put this on here. Yeah, they're out of shot, those, mate.
Are they?
They'll be here. Lean them on the level.
No, this is very nice.
Yeah. So there's the hoodie, and I've got the t-shirt on. Waterproof pocket. There's your headphones inside pocket. All zip pockets. There's a logo. How about the hood up? Try and step back a bit. That's it. Dead smart. Yeah.
Well, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks to Blake's and Ox Tools for sending us all this stuff. We really appreciate it, and we'll definitely put it to good use.
Oh yeah. You've seen them in the forthcoming videos, all the stuff. It's all good stuff, and it's all stuff we'll use. Made up with it. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and smash that bell button.
Until the next time.
Thank you very much.
Hit stop. And then there's the clothes as well.
Oh yeah. Tell you what, let's try them on.